Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring and celebrating the amazing diversity within Asian American and Pacific Islander heritage. Welcome to our channel Comradery Health Agency TV in May, where we will celebrating Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month as a time to honor the vibrant cultures, rich histories, and significant contributions of these communities to American society. It's a celebration that not only acknowledges their past but also recognizes the impact they continue to have on our present and future. From the bustling streets of Chinatown to the serene beaches of Hawaii, the diversity within these communities is as vast as it is beautiful. Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders face a range of challenges, including stereotypes that often reduce their complex identities to simplistic or inaccurate representations. There's the model minority stereotype that assumes all Asian Americans are highly successful and high-achieving, ignoring the socioeconomic struggles many face. Then there's the perpetual foreigner stereotype, which questions the Americanness of Asian Americans, suggesting they will always be outsiders. These stereotypes, along with underrepresentation in media and leadership positions, contribute to the marginalization of these communities. Underrepresentation is another significant challenge. Despite their growing numbers and contributions, Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders remain underrepresented in leadership roles across various sectors, from business and politics to media and education. This lack of representation not only affects their opportunities for advancement but also limits the perspectives and ideas that could enrich American society as a whole. The need for greater recognition and understanding of Asian American and Pacific Islander histories and experiences is crucial. Their stories, achievements, and struggles are an integral part of the American narrative, yet they are often overlooked or oversimplified. By shedding light on these aspects, we can work towards a more inclusive and equitable society. The cultures of Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders are as diverse as they are fascinating. From the ancient traditions of Chinese New Year and Diwali, the Hindu Festival of Lights, to the modern-day celebrations like the Honolulu Festival, there's a wealth of cultural richness to explore. Figures like Bruce Lee, who revolutionized martial arts and cinema, and Dr. Qian Wu, a trailblazer in physics, have made indelible marks on their respective fields. In the realm of art, Asian American and Pacific Islander artists have made significant contributions, from filmmakers like Ang Lee to musicians like Kendrick Lamar's collaborator, Thundercat, whose father is of Filipino descent. In science and politics, individuals like Dr. Mae Jemison, the first African-American woman in space of Jamaican and Asian descent, and Senator Tammy Duckworth, an Iraqi-born Thai American, inspire with their achievements. The history of Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders in America is marked by resilience and perseverance. Many have navigated the complexities of identity, belonging, and discrimination to leave a lasting legacy. Their contributions to American society are immeasurable, influencing everything from food and fashion to science and politics. The story of Asian American and Pacific Islander heritage is one of extraordinary diversity, remarkable resilience, and profound impact. As we've explored, their cultures, contributions, and challenges are an integral part of the fabric of American society. I'd love to hear from you. Who are your favorite Asian American or Pacific Islander figures? Share their stories in the comments below. If you're interested in more content celebrating diverse cultures, check out my video on the vibrant traditions of Latinx communities. You are invited to subscribe to Comradery Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.comraderyhealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.